Hey, get over here. You're part of the video. Get over here.
Now that you know this life, I won't be told what's supposed to be right.
There you go. Get over here. You're part of the video. Get over here. You don't want to be in the video? I'm putting this on YouTube. You mind? I sure you look just like your mom every time I see you. Aren't you supposed to be singing too?
Me?
Yeah. No, sing. Go for it. She's doing it. No, my life to be right. There you go. Show me how to put that on YouTube, guys.
You need an account.